Hey everyone, welcome back to Flutalk English. Today we're talking about something that happens to every English learner, forgetting words.
Oh, yes, that's the worst. You know the word, but when you need it, your mind just goes blank.
Exactly. You studied it before, you used it before, but suddenly you forget it. So why does this happen?
The main reason is you don't use the word enough. If your brain doesn't use a word often, it deletes it like old files.
Yeah, it's like a muscle. If you don't exercise, it gets weak. Same thing with your English memory.
Another reason is passive learning. You just watch or read, but you don't speak or write.
True. You can't just watch English. You have to use it. Say it out loud. Make a sentence. Use it when you talk about your day.
Here's a fun idea. Make short stories with new words. If the word is adventure, say, "Yesterday I went on an adventure to find ice cream."
Ha, that's fun. You can also connect words with emotions or pictures. The stronger the feeling, the better your brain remembers it.
And there's something called spaced repetition. It means you review words after one day, then after 3 days, then 1 week later.
Yeah, it's like a review schedule for your memory. It really helps you remember long term.
Also, talk to people in English. When you use words in real conversations, they stick in your head better.
Yes, and don't worry if you forget sometimes. Just use the word again and again. It will come back.
Let's keep it simple. Use the words, make stories, review often, and speak without fear. That's how you make English words stay in your brain. So don't just study English, live English.
Exactly. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode of Flutalk English.